If you've been looking for a home that has a 3-car garage and the primary bedroom downstairs, this home may be it for you. This is 3000 Bergamo Court in Sacramento, California. We're in the subdivision of Unity Parkside within Natomas and strictly in the neighborhood of Willow Creek. So this is a treat for you. You got to take a look at this. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, ready to go, 2,490 square feet. And we walk into the entry and to the dining room. Now, as we walk into the kitchen, you're going to see beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and also beautiful granite countertops, and also has the peninsula island. You can also see that it's very, very spacious and good enough for cooking while having someone else clean up as well. Stepping into the living room, it feels so much bigger than it actually is because of the vaulted ceilings, and it feels very spacious. The layout was perfectly set with having the screen door there, but then plenty of windows surrounding it, giving it plenty of natural light. And it complements well with the covered patio. That way it doesn't get too hot during the spring and summer. During the winter, you can cozy up by the gas fireplace with the rainy days. As we're heading to the garage, there's a half bath to the left, which is convenient for guests and you as well. It is really uncommon to have a 3-car garage with both motors. It is really convenient to have your laundry room right next to the primary bedroom. Walking into the primary bedroom, you can feel how spacious it is. Plus, it is also about 12-foot ceilings. So it is just nothing but space in here. Plenty of windows too for a lot of natural light. The primary bedroom also has 2 closets, one for each partner. The bathroom is a really good size, and you cannot tell me this bathtub isn't huge. The backyard is perfect for entertaining with the covered patio, green grass, plenty of space for anything. And you also have a shed just in case you need even more storage for your home. You have a great size loft that you can do anything with. And looking over the banister into the living room, it creates even more of that sensation of space. And both rooms upstairs could definitely fit queen size beds. This one by the front of the home is even bigger with a walk-in closet. So I wonder who's gonna get this room. And we cannot forget that this home is located close to so many amenities, such as the 2 schools, Leroy, Greene Academy, and 2 Rivers Elementary. We're right by the freeway of 80, and then also about 5 minutes away, you're right by I-5 South. And you also got this beautiful park, Sea-Bar Park, with the skate park as well, and tennis courts. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Let me know what you thought about this home in the comments. There's more information about this home in the description. And if you want to take a look at it, contact info is in the description below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.